This recipe is so easy and delicious that after making it once, I just had to make it 3 more times. It is the perfect healthy and filling breakfast. And the best part, it is super simple to prepare. Start by slicing your favorite veggies with a slicer. I used red onion and red pepper, but you can also add tomatoes or any other veggies you like. Then mix eggs with a little olive oil, milk, and your favorite spices. For the base, roughly smash the boiled potatoes in the baking dish and spread them evenly. Add the seasoned egg mixture on top, then add the sliced veggies. Bake at 200 degrees for 20 minutes, and that's it. The result is light, delicious, and so satisfying. Perfect for a quick and healthy meal. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more. See you in the next one.